Looking around the nation, a New York man was confronted by the FBI for hoarding and selling medical supplies. And instead of complying with the agents, he coughed on them and told them he had the coronavirus. Police say Baruch Feldheim was selling personal protective equipment to doctors and nurses for a huge profit. When the FBI confronted him, they say he lied about the whole thing. That alone was enough to arrest him. But coughing on the agents right now is considered assault. He could end up facing hundreds of thousands of dollars in fines, plus years in prison.